Hi friend! Ayan, dry na yung ating circle. So, let's design. So, using our gold pen, our colored pens, a marker, and our white marker also. So, let's start with uh, doodling. Ayan. Friend, ayan, pang ano lang to, distress in our busy everyday. Ayan. Find something creative to remove the worries, anxieties, and it will also help you to be creative. So, kung meron ka bang sinusolve na problem sa office or sa ministry, this will help you to, think. Kasi nagiging creative ka nga eh. So, um, you're finding ways to think, to find solutions sa mga projects. So, medyo minsan, di ba, na may mental block na tayo sa dami ng things that we need to attend to. Kaya, hindi natin na-find ang mga, or hindi natin na-finalize ang ating mga deadlines is because you have to shake, lumalabas yung ink. Ayun. You have to shake your gold markers para lumabas yung ink niya. Medyo matagal natin siya hindi ginamit. So, we have to, kailangan natin siyang i-bleed para lumabas yung ink. Or to shake. Hindi na lumalabas ang ink niya. Or we have to buy new ones ba? Kuya Daniel, ayan, hindi na umaano yung ating gold, markers. Hindi na gumagana. Kaya kailangan naman natin. Hindi, meron pa oh. Just have to bleed niya. Ano siya? Nawawala yung ink niya. Need to shake. Ayan. Sumobra naman yung bleed niya. Yung white naman. Isang box yung binigyan natin sa white. Nagkaano parang sumasama dun sa color. Sa color ng natin. So, let's just, ang na lang natin siya. Reverse painting ba ang tawag dyan? This, stimulates our mind, eh. To be creative. Kaya, ayan, we can bring that creativity sa ating mga work projects. Meron ba tayong area or project na hindi natin matapos-tapos? So, yun. It can help us to answer yung mind query natin. By doing this, creative projects. Parang simple, activity lang, pero imagine, it creates idea sa mind mo kasi nga, ni-stimulate mo siya. At hindi naman magastos, hindi naman mahirap. You are just at home, or pwede rin nasa park ka, or Starbucks or any coffee shop na frequent siya. Siyempre, we can also read our books. Yan, madami tayong books. Eh. So, ano pa? Friend, may suggestion ka pa ba on what we can doodle sa ating circles? Please post on the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.